Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Amazon Pay balance to bank account. Let's open the Amazon mobile application here and I'll let it just open. So sometimes it's take a little bit of time. And here you have to click on the three horizontal lines which is on the bottom right side corner. And after that you have to just go to the Amazon Pay, right? In your countries it can be something else. So basically, and here you will receive all your total cashback or Amazon Pay balance to here. Now if you want to transfer Amazon Pay balance to bank account, so basically what you can do here, you get the only feature or the only option that is called digital gold. So you have to buy gold. So by using your Amazon Pay balance, you can buy the gold here. Just enter the amount, and after that, after buying it, you have to just go to the sell gold and you have to sell it that gold, right? And after selling that gold, you will receive some money which will be directly transferred into your bank account. So in this way you will not receive the exactly Amazon Pay balance, because in buying and selling requires some commission or some charges for the and it will be cut down from your Amazon Pay balance. So this is it guys, and this is the only way. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.